My name is Paul Schmelzer. I'm from Elverson, Pennsylvania.
And I'm Susan Schmelzer, also from Elverson. Even before we went to sleep at night, we like to read before we go to sleep. So we would both be lying there in bed reading, and all of a sudden you'd hear the noise. You know how that goes. So I'm looking over, and sure enough, he's sound asleep. Quite often in the middle of the night, the noise would wake me up. And of course, then you're trying to nudge him and elbow him to get him to roll over, get on his side rather than on his back. So after being treated with the Solea sleep therapy, he came home from the dentist office that day so excited because he instantly noticed the difference. He just could breathe better, he could take a deep breath, very little discomfort, you know, like night and day. The difference I noticed after he underwent the Solea sleep therapy, he could be asleep for a half hour and I'd have no idea because I didn't hear a peep out of him. Once the lights are out, it was like peaceful until morning. No more waking up in the middle of the night with the sound of the train coming through. It just seems to have made a big difference in giving him a lot of energy.
Immediately I had increased lung capacity. Instantly when I got up from the chair, I could sense it. I had the procedure, and then the difference was dramatic in my energy level.
It not only gives him a better night's sleep, but it gives me a better night's sleep as well.